What happens if you eat cucumber every day? Cucumbers have been utilized in Indian cuisine and traditional medicine since ancient times, and their cooling and hydrating properties make them particularly advantageous in India's warm climate. Additionally, cucumbers offer a variety of other benefits, despite being classified as fruits rather than vegetables. This article examines the health benefits of consuming cucumbers and explains why increasing your intake of this versatile food is highly recommended. 1. You'll be better protected from neurological diseases. Cucumbers contain fisetin, which has been recognized for its positive impact on brain health. Thus, consuming cucumbers can significantly enhance your mental acuity and concentration. 2. You can lose excess weight quickly. Cucumbers have a significant water content that induces rapid satiety, helping you control overeating and aiding in weight loss. Additionally, as a low-calorie fruit with no fat, cucumbers are an excellent option for individuals seeking to manage their body weight. 3. The risk of cancer will lessen. Cucumbers contain fisetin, a flavonoid that has gained significant attention from cancer researchers. This flavonoid not only possesses antioxidant and anti-inflammatory properties but also appears to be associated with a decreased risk of certain types of cancer. 4. Digestion will improve. The dietary fiber and high water content found in cucumbers aid in digestion, while the vitamins they contain improve the functioning of the digestive system. Consuming a cucumber daily can promote healthy regularity and alleviate issues related to bowel movements. 5. The body will get more hydration. As cucumbers are composed of approximately 95% water, incorporating them into your daily diet can significantly enhance your body's hydration levels, resulting in numerous health benefits. If you struggle with staying adequately hydrated throughout the day, consuming a cucumber daily may be a useful strategy to improve your water intake. 6. Your skin will be softer and glowing. Cucumbers' hydrating properties are advantageous for the skin, and they also contain essential B vitamins such as niacin and riboflavin, as well as vitamin C and zinc, which are crucial for maintaining healthy skin. Caffeic acid, present in cucumbers, combats skin inflammation and irritation, and the nutrients in cucumbers are known to reduce the signs of skin aging. 7. Hair quality will improve and you'll see less hair loss. Cucumbers contain several B vitamins that are advantageous for maintaining healthy hair and scalp. Biotin, riboflavin, niacin, and vitamins B5, B6, and C are all essential for promoting hair growth, preventing premature hair loss and graying. 8. Cardiovascular health will improve. Cucumbers are rich in potassium, magnesium, and vitamin K, 3 nutrients that are essential for optimal cardiovascular function. Vitamin K plays a crucial role in blood coagulation and regulating calcium levels in the bloodstream. Low levels of magnesium and potassium have been associated with elevated blood pressure. Regular consumption of cucumbers has also been linked to decreased levels of LDL, or bad cholesterol. 9. Blood sugar levels will be better controlled. Cucumbers contain various phenolic compounds, flavonoids, and triterpenes. Studies suggest that increasing consumption of wild cucumber may effectively regulate high blood glucose levels. 10. Bones will be stronger. Cucumbers are a source of both vitamin K and calcium, both of which are crucial for maintaining strong bones. Vitamin K is known to decrease the risk of bone fractures and is also necessary for the absorption of calcium in bones. 11. The body will get rid of toxins. Cucumbers are thought to have natural detoxifying properties, and incorporating them into your regular diet may help eliminate toxins and impurities from your liver and gut, resulting in improved overall health. 12. Your dental health will improve. Cucumbers are a source of molybdenum, which has been found to prevent cavities, and fluoride, which is known to protect against tooth decay. Additionally, the calcium present in cucumbers can help strengthen teeth. 13. The hormones will be better balanced. Phosphorus is an important nutrient for maintaining hormonal balance in the body. It plays a role in interacting with the endocrine glands and facilitating the creation and release of hormones. Cucumbers provide approximately 4% of the recommended daily intake of phosphorus for adults. To enjoy the various benefits of cucumber and stay as cool as a cucumber, make it a part of your daily diet. You can add it to your salads or simply cut it in half, sprinkle some salt, and eat it. If you enjoyed watching this video, don't forget to like, subscribe and turn on the notification bell, so you don't miss any new videos. Let us know your thoughts about this video in the comments section down below, and feel free to stay safe and enjoy. Also make sure to check out our next highlighted video, and we will see you next time. Thanks for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe.